Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Sarah Morgan bug. Okay, first things first, to fix the Starfield Sarah Morgan bug, you can try the following methods. First is to get the artifact. First and foremost, try to get the artifact from the guy on the ship in Venus and return it to Eustace Thorne. There are chances that once you return the artifact, Sarah Morgan may continue. Second is unassign Sarah Morgan from the ship or outpost. To complete the Memoriam mission beyond the main story mission, you may unassign Sarah Morgan from a ship and travel back to New Atlantis. When the mission is completed, Sarah Morgan will then follow you again. Third is to use console commands. You can use console commands to set the stage with the quest ID and compost Sarah Morgan Q1. Once you complete the console command, leave and re-enter the lodge, and Sarah should act as she is supposed to. However, remember that this approach may have unforeseen consequences. Fourth is reload an earlier save. If you have a previous game save before starting the mission, you can try reloading it. This often resolves the bug. Fifth is have patience. Sometimes Sarah may not accompany you immediately after completing the mission. In such cases, patience may be required, as there might be a delay in her accessibility. Sixth and last is wait for Bethesda to fix this bug. If none of the above method works, the last option is to wait for Bethesda to release a patch to fix this bug. You can also contact the customer support for further assistance. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it! You can now fix Starfield Sarah Morgan bug. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!